Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Great to see you. So Mohammad is with QustomDot, and he'll be telling us about cadmium-free quantum dot color converters for micro-LED applications. So Mohammad, can you share your slides when you're ready?
Yes.
Good luck to you, Mohammad.
Thank you very much. Welcome everyone to our presentation entitled Cadmium-Free Quantum Dot Color Converters for Micro-LED Applications. My name is Mohammad Kiaee, and I'm a material scientist at QustomDot. So in QustomDot, our mission is to deliver cadmium-free quantum dot color conversion solutions for micro-LED applications. So as you all know, micro-LED displays combine better efficiency compared to OLED and LCDs with incredible brightness. And this gives an opportunity to go towards applications which are far beyond the reach of current display technologies. And then here you can see a few pictures showcasing these applications. However, today, micro-LED is not yet a commercially viable technology. And that is mainly because the native micro-LEDs have a very high production cost, which prevent them to become a commercially viable material. In addition to that, red micro-LEDs are still quite insufficient and expensive to source. And they add more complexity to the driving electronics because they have a different materials compared to green and blue quantum dots. On top of that, the transfer process is still quite challenging because you have to transfer these native LEDs from 3 different wafers to your target substrates. So to address these issues, color conversion could be an interesting approach. It provides high efficiency and low power consumption. And basically, since you can add your material at different stages of the process, you add more flexibility in your manufacturing. Moreover, because you can either deliver this material directly to your target substrate, or you can make an RGB wafer and then deliver the RGB pixels from a single wafer, you reduce your transfer cycle by a factor of 3. Which leads to a significant improvement in your overall transfer yield. However, there are still quite a few challenges that needs to be addressed with quantum dot color converters. And these challenges are mainly because of some of the boundary conditions that are introduced by using micro-LEDs and the demands that micro-LED applications have actually here. So to name some of these challenges, basically, for instance, for a micro-LED application, you need a high blue light absorption in your quantum dot color conversion layer, and that has to be while having a high conversion efficiency in films below 10 micron, which makes it quite challenging. Moreover, your color conversion layer is exposed to high blue light intensities, and this layer has to survive over the lifetime of the display. So this material has to sustain for a long time under these high intensities. On the other hand, the material has to be processable and capable of high resolution patterning, because in the end you want to integrate this material with your micro-LEDs. On top of all these requirements, the material has to be ROH compliant, which means that it has to be cadmium free. And this is to prevent the users getting exposed to cadmium. So in the next few slides, I would like to showcase some of our progress toward addressing these challenges. First, I would like to start with our progress toward having highly absorbing film with high conversion efficiency. So in this slide, you will see a picture of our red and green quantum dot films, which contain ultra-high solid loading that results in very high absorbance at thicknesses of 5 to 10 micron. You can see here that for both red and green quantum dots, we can reach absorbance of 90 to 98% at such low thicknesses. And this is while we can maintain the efficiency. We have reached the 40% external quantum efficiency at this point, and you can see that this is for both red and green quantum dot colors, and we are on our way to get closer to the 50% barrier. However, this is not a trivial task because you may have some additional challenges as you increase